Well, we're here. We're here at the little island. You see, it's basically supported by pylons that are left over from a pier that was taken down. But this is the start of our adventure in Little Island. This is what Little Island looks like on the Hudson River. See all the pylons? That's what there used to be another pier here. And those pylons, if they're still in the water, represent that pier. They put in some more bigger pylons and built an island on top of it. That's why they call it Little Island. It's supposedly beautifully planted out and decorated for all 4 seasons of the year. This is the entranceway. Let's see what it looks like. Little Island, history and audio tour. You can scan here and get a free audio tour of the story of our pier and neighborhood, narrated by a Tony Award-winning winner, Andre Deshields. It looks like it's beautifully planted, all right. Yeah, it's beautiful. Look at the way this works. How this pier has been planted. Look at the flowers that are coming up in the spring.
There's so many plants in the system.
Look over here, how green the grass is. It's absolutely beautiful grass over here. They even have a listing of each and every flower and plant that you can see here. Of course, I didn't have time to memorize that, so I don't have that available to me. I've been learning lately about the dandelion that I was killing for years. You really should eat dandelions. It'll keep you alive 10 different ways. Daffodils galore. That's one of the symbols of this place. See how it's multi-level? What a great place to bring your family. Right on the Hudson River. So on warm days, it's going to be a little cooler here, which is nice. Now, they even have walking around behind the amp, looking to see other things.
Don't go all the way down, okay?
There's someone who wants to climb rocks. She likes climbing the rocks. Her boy wants to climb the rocks now. Good place to bring your children. It's pretty. It's a pretty place. And it's relatively safe, I would say. See the screen there, so children can't get through and injure themselves. And even here where there's steeper drops, they have permanent fencing up to prevent people from hurting themselves. Here, that young boy, he's having so much fun here. More beautiful flowers to look at. I don't know what those little purple flowers are in the background. If you know, let me know in your comments. And if you like this kind of video, hit that button on the lower right hand side, subscribe and like. Doesn't cost anything to subscribe. I know on Facebook, I think when you put subscribe, they want money. It's free on YouTube.
So where do we go exactly, Heidi?
It's just like,
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
this whole park is just like this. It's just like different trails. Which one here? Areas of toiling. You want to make sounds, make music. Okay, guys. Well, you guys, we're not going to stay up here, okay?
Let's see how high we can go. What is up here? More? This is the way it's shaped. Those are like things to go down to hold us above the water. Look. Let's take a closer look. See that big? It looks like a flower. And it's really a pier going all the way down to the water. And it spreads up like a flower and holds us above ground. Is that amazing? Spring is here, the leaves are starting to burst out. Look at all the other parks along the Hudson River. The piers, many of them have been taken down and replaced with beautiful parks. See these pipes? These aren't pieces of wood to protect your life. They're pipes, they're steel pipes. You're not going through those pipes. Cool breeze, you can see all the way down to the Verrazzano Narrows Bridge. You can see the One Omni Plaza building, the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere. One World Trade Center, we call that too. And you see there's not many more piers left. This used to be all in the 50s. This is all ships going to Europe, going to Bermuda. Now people take airlines. Not ships so much. See these? These are steel.
Ci siamo passati ieri, per me dove ci sono le torri gemelle. Dove ci siamo passati ieri.
Può essere.
So below us is water. We're really over the Hudson River, which is good because we're not doing any environmental damage to the Hudson River that way. Nice and cool and breezy up here. Another German family. Some lovers up here. Great place to hug and kiss. Particularly if you speak French. Let's see what's out here in the water. That's New Jersey. That's Lower Manhattan. Here's another view of the Amp. I'd say it would hold probably a couple hundred people. You had a small concert there if you wanted to in the Amp. Beautiful day, blue sky. Let's go all the way up to the top and see what's there to be seen.